Against global odds, Indian markets are off to a decent start. 14 points up for the Nifty, almost 50 to 90 now, 50 to 91 for Nifty spot. For the Sensex, the first rates are quite impressive. 0.5% up for the Sensex, 62 points up for the Sensex. The Bank Nifty is also off to a good start, so Bank Nifty is very important. But since this week, TCS and Infosys, both those IT companies are due to declare numbers. More than the Bank Nifty, somewhere the CNX IT also will have an important role to play. Mitesh just pointed out that the importance of CNX IT in the overall scheme of things will be very important. CNX IT on your screen, Infosys up 23 rupees. TCS is also off to a good start, 1265 rupees for TCS. Let's look at autos. On Monday, the auto index corrected by about 1.5% plus. You could blame it on monsoon. You could blame it on competition. 1185 for Maruti. Tata Motors is holding on. 730 for Mahindra and Mahindra. Two-wheelers is where there is some price action. 2037, and Bajaj Autos off to a flat start. 1508.
Okay, let's quickly tell you what the state of the broader market is. Remember, after yesterday's cut of about 1% to 1.5% and a bad breath at that, would be important to see what the broader market is up to, because all of last week you saw outperformance from the broader markets, and the concentration of action clearly was in the larger market. Advance decline ratio favoring the advances, not by a huge margin, but yes, the advances are taking over as of now. It's a tempered start for the small cap index, up 0.2%, and flat for the mid cap index. IndusInd Bank ahead of its numbers. Let's see what that stock is up to. Remember, IndusInd Bank is going to report its quarterly numbers, and the stock is going strong into its earnings. SR Oil, and they've now agreed to pay the principal amount of 6,169 crore rupees post the Supreme Court order. SR Oil again for a second day on the trot sees weakness of about almost 2.5% or so. Coal India, the board meets on July 17th. There's also news on OVL's plan to raise about 5,000 crore rupees via the IPO, and ONGC, of course, is going to consider the proposal in the board meeting this week. ONGC starts off with a big bang, up about 1% in an otherwise tempered market. Stocks going ex-dividend today, Kirloskar Oil as well as TRF, so watch out for those ones as well. And of course, on mobile, let's see whether or not that stock has seen some knee-jerk reaction come in. So on mobile, wherein the CEO Arvind Rao has now resigned, and Morley Raman, another co-founder, has been named as the interim MD. The company has initiated search for a new CEO, and on mobile starts off with a weak on a weak note, down by about 2% or so currently in trade.